We are at 3023 Swansea Way in Rancho Cordova. Beautiful home. Tastefully done yard. Nice new fence on the left. Beautiful green grass. 2-car garage. New concrete slab 5 years ago. Let's take a look. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's got a covered porch, security gate. You come up to a nice beveled window, front door, freshly painted, and we come into a nice entry area. Gray hardwood slats. Mirrored closets. Large living room. Beautiful cove ceiling. Bay view window. Dual pane windows throughout. So very energy efficient. 4 ceiling fans. And then we move into the right, which is the indoor laundry, carved out of the garage. We go into a nice big kitchen. It's got a lot of area for an informal dining room here. It's pretty in color. Stainless steel, gray, black, white accent throughout. It's got a nice pantry cabinet. And for you cooking enthusiasts, it's got a beautiful 4-burner gas stove. Very nice. It rolls into a formal dining room. This is done in a nice wine motif. Very pretty home. Being offered at $389,950. It's 1,926 square feet. Give me a call, or you can go direct, and the PED will get you inside and take a look. It's got this nice addition. It's a family room. It's got a pellet stove. Right now being used with some extra storage for one of the family members, but can be used for a lot of different rooms. Butts up to the back of the backyard. Let's go on down the hallway. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths to look at. Nice color. Here in the bathroom, this is your main bath. We have bedroom number 2 here. Dual pane windows, plenty of natural light. Nice hardwood floor. Most of the house has hardwood floor. Some of it's been covered. Hardwood floor here as well. It's maple. Three bedrooms gives you a lot of different options. With that extra living room, family room, many things you can do. Here we have the master bedroom. Very nicely done. Beautiful design. Really like that look. And this was an addition, so it's a newer part of the home. Beautiful opaque shower. Done nicely with the inlay. I really like that look. And even at the bottom, gorgeous. Beautiful granite sink. And then a nicely organized master bedroom closet. Plenty of room for all your shoes, all your clothes. Double rack, very nice. So that is it. That is 3023 Swansea Way in Rancho Cordova, being offered for $389,950. Give me a call, Kary Moore. I'm at 916-869-2151. Thank you very much.